Hi guys, I'm Steph. Thank you so much for checking out my channel today. I am super happy to be bringing you my May favorites. So in case you're new to my channel, for my May favorites, I do talk about the beauty products I love, but also just other things I have been loving this month, some amazing experiences I might have had. So I'm really excited to share with you what has been so great about May for me, and I hope you'll subscribe if you enjoy this video and give it a thumbs up. But let's get into what I have been loving. To start off with an experience, escape rooms. If you have never done an escape room, basically you are given a bunch of clues and you kind of have to figure stuff out in order to escape the room. And we did our first one at the beginning of the month. We loved it so much. I wanted to do one for years, and I don't know why it took me like so long to convince my boyfriend to do it, but we did the first one. He loved it. He was like, this is so amazing. So his birthday's in May, so I ended up surprising him by taking him to an escape room, and we were with another couple and we loved it so much we ended up doing a second one that day. So now I've done 3 and they're just so incredibly fun and interesting, and they can be more like intellectual and logical thinking. But then another one we did, there was like lasers and you had to like get through the lasers, and if you set it off you had to restart. So it was more of a physical one but still had like the clues and everything. I don't know, they're just like very interesting and fun, and let me know if you've done any. They're just like really enjoyable. This is a bit of a random favorite. This is a food favorite, and though I did not discover it in May, the first time I tried it was February. I ended up not having it for a while, and then we got some more in May, and this is black truffle cheese. It is just like Monterey Jack cheese with black truffle in it. It is so amazing. I'm going to insert a picture here so you guys can see, but like I buy it at Whole Foods because I have not seen it anywhere else, but it is just so amazing. I don't know why, this is like the tastiest thing ever. I love putting it on pasta. It just, oh, it's so good. Even just eating it on its own with like some nice like fancy crackers. I don't know, it's just really oddly enjoyable. Not oddly, I don't know, it's just like a cheese, but like I love it so much. Though I do love cheese generally, so I guess it's not that surprising. Next thing I would say is a favorite, this is probably gonna make me sound very nerdy, is my co-op is over, so I restarted my summer semester this month, and it's just like so fun being back in school. I love all my courses, everything I'm learning. It's so great to be like back with my friends, seeing everyone, because we're all at different placements for our co-op, so it's just great being in that environment again, and I am really loving it. Usually in my favorites video, I have a favorite song, and to me, like when I love a song, I play it on repeat non-stop. However, I didn't really find myself doing that with a song this month, and I don't want to just tell you guys a favorite song for the sake of telling you that it was my favorite song. And though I was listening to a lot of music, because I always do, there wasn't one standout song to me, so no favorite song for the month. And before getting into beauty products per se, my last experience type favorite was Lip Week. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, I'll link the playlist down below. But basically I did a whole week about lips because I am doing a lip challenge. If you don't know about it, it's the first video in that playlist. So I was introducing the challenge and I wanted to do just a full week of lips. So I have like a lip tag. I talk about my favorite lip videos. I do like my lip collection video. So it was a really fun week and I just really enjoyed it. And the idea of like posting every day, and I did not pre-film any of it. So I was like filming, editing, posting all in the same day, and it was like super intense, and it also happened to be a super busy week at school, but it was just like such a fun experience. I really enjoyed it. And the feedback I got from you guys was just so nice and great to hear, and I'm really happy that people seem to be enjoying the challenge and the updates that come with it. So that just means so much to me that people are loving this idea that I've come up with. Now getting into beauty favorites. So before I started my lip challenge, I wore this lip color a few times and I really loved it. And this is the Ciate London Liquid Velvet in Head Over Heels. It looks like this. It is like such a bright fuchsia. It looks beautiful. I really enjoy how it looks. I get so many compliments on it. I was at first very intimidated by it because it is such a bright color, but it's so beautiful for like this spring, summer weather. It's basically summer. And it's just, oh, I really enjoy it. And I can't believe I was scared of it because it's like become my favorite. Which I feel like is most colors, I'm scared of it and then I wear it and I love it. Like I used to be scared of like vampy dark purples, and those are like some of my favorites now. So it's interesting how like what scares you kind of becomes your favorite. This next one, not the most exciting, but it is a beauty blender, and before now, I've never actually used a beauty blender before. I've used other beauty sponges. I've had like ones from drugstores and like Eco Tools, and I've tried quite a few, but I never actually tried the original beauty blender. So I had one. I was like, okay, my last sponge is garbage. If you want to see my empties video, that was yesterday's video. I'll link that down below. But I threw that out, so I was like, okay, gotta start something new. I have this in my collection. I'll pull it out, and wow, I feel like it really does make such a difference. I feel like it absorbs a lot more product than the other sponges I've used, but I feel like the finish I get with it, and like these are foundations I've tried with multiple other sponges, and I like them, but with this one, like it makes such a difference. And it's kind of interesting how like the application, like the tool you're using, can make such a difference in the product itself. And I've really loved the results I've gotten with this, and I understand why there's so much hype around it. Took me a while, but I get it. Another item I have been loving this month is the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. And so you can see the colors here. I really like all the looks I've gotten out of this. I think it's so fun. Like, I love that there's a multitude of shimmery shades, not just one, because I think the Warm Brown Obsessions just has the one. This has 3. I feel like I do get different looks out of it, even though they're all mauves. I can kind of change up the look, and I really like it. I am going to be doing a get ready with me soon where I showcase this palette and tell you all my full thoughts on it and everything, and do like a thorough review and show you a look and everything. But I just had to mention it here because I have been using it so much, always gravitating towards it. I've loved every look I've come up with. I really enjoy it. I think the colors are beautiful. I enjoy this palette so much. And my last favorite is actually like a combo thing. So I use the Benefit What's Up highlighter as a base. So I'll put on my foundation, I'll go on with this, and then I'll usually put on a powder, kind of trying to avoid the area I've highlighted. And then I'll go in with the Wet n Wild Megaglo Illuminating Palette in Catwalk Pink and use this gold shade right here and just put it on. And it shines so beautifully. And at first I was like, oh, because this is kind of like a goldy color, and I was like, gold doesn't look the greatest on my skin tone. Usually something that's a bit more icy with like silvery or pink undertones even can look better. So I kind of stayed away from this for the longest time. But that combination just like, it makes it work so well. And today I'm just wearing the Megaglo, and it just doesn't have that same intensity to it. Like having the Benefit What's Up as a base makes such a difference. It's crazy, but it like when I have that on, I feel like it looks like natural but glowy but so beautiful. So the combination of those two together is what makes that a favorite. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. Tomorrow's video is going to be the 3rd update in my lip challenge, where I talk about all the lip products I've worn this week. So if that interests you, make sure you subscribe so you're updated when I post that video. But I just want to say, I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you are. Bye!